the page where I am saying insert record, can I send two variables? Instead of sending one variable, can I send two variables? How? We don't put a comma, but we do put something. No, we don't put a semicolon. Here, you put an ampersand sign, ampersand sign, right? Email is equal to this, and E is equal to get E. You're sending it again. I got it. I'm sending it to the next page. Is that right? This you had already done. Till this you had already done. Is that right? This you are saying I'm sending extra. One more thing. So you just do OK here. This will work just like your other page was working. You will register. And now from register page we will go to a insert. We did new. We did create. And we did a save as book.php. In this page we said we want a record set first from a user table for that email address, which will give us a UID. So I'm going to just do that quickly before users UID email equals URL parameter equals. So insert form and form here, insert form text field UID, insert form text field EID, and I need insert form, and I need a button. Now here you have the user ID, but you have your, this is what we did, am I right? Yeah. Event ID, now do I have event ID available as well? I do have event ID available if it is there, otherwise it's going to be blank. You understand? If it comes, at the moment you are sending, is that right? At the moment you have send it. So what should I write down in this? I can put initial value equals to get E. That's the initial value for that. If it is coming, it should show me that EID there. Is that right? And plus, what are we supposed to insert? What are we inserting in? Booking table? Bookings, UID gets a value, EID gets a value, and I want to go back to index.php. Is that, yeah? So let's, sorry? You will see what happens here. Look, let's see how it is happening from the page itself. So if I am here, localhost event index, that's the page. So what we are saying now is that you go from here, book, it takes you to register. much have I read? What has happened? Sorry? I haven't given any margin. It was just my scroll bar was not there. So, anyways, this has gone to register with that event ID. Is that right? So now I'm here and saying Aman and Yahoo.com and I say register. So my user has come up. I need to use echo there. That's why. That's 5. Yeah, and this has given me like this because I didn't write echo. But if I say confirm now, if I just put E1 here, it should do it, isn't it? It should confirm the booking for me, right? So if I go to bookings here, is that right? 5, user 5, E1, it's working. Now what we are saying is here, if you go from here, I do not have a EID, but I can register, isn't it? I can register with whatever name I like. But when you will go from here, you will not have a event ID. You wouldn't have this. You will not put. You can hide that completely. That is what we said. We made that read only. You can completely hide that if you want. Here, where did we go? Here. This one I should have said. Echo. Let's go back and see first whether it's just. Go back. Then it refreshed. Uh-oh. Okay. It's just me pressing the wrong. It's already entered in the table, so. What's this? It's picking up E3, but no. I chose E3. So it is giving me E3, but I don't know why it's giving all this, the breaks and 80, and then online, and then book.php, all that. Sorry? Yeah, but it's a wrong error message. Still giving me E3 at the end, and then because what did I write here? I wrote echo get E. That's the PHP value I wrote, and it doesn't want to give me that. Okay. Usually it is in brackets, but when I write in brackets also it doesn't. Okay. No, it's worked. It's fine now. It's fine now. Look. If I. Okay. I don't know what the email, what would be the user ID would be, but we know that our E should be E9. So if I just register, it should 10 E9, confirm. If we have that, we don't need to show them. We could just do, to show him confirm booking, isn't it? But that is what you didn't want, the 2 buttons. But you know, it still ended up in 2 buttons, but on different pages. has got nothing, because if you are getting a user, if you're getting an event, we did that as an if because I just wrote the statement straight away without intervening anything. It's not, yeah, it's not how, if you are saying register from here, you register, this should be my, because I've already chosen event, you already have my user ID, I should just be said, you've been confirmed, right? There's no need for that confirmation. But let's say if he comes from the book of the registers, then you won't have the email, then you would want the drop down. Then you would want this, what do you call it? If I event. Why? One with, yeah, you could say book one and the other one is book. So that, yeah, people do that as well. I'm not saying that it's like you want to, we usually do that when we are doing marketing campaigns. We make different pages to see who's coming back from which marketing campaign. Those pages are not available in the screen, but you do them on your website to see who's coming from. Yeah. Form, list and menu. Are you kidding? Yeah, we are going, but we just, sorry. What I've just done is I've done the drop down, but what I'm trying to say is eventually only one should be visible.
Yeah, I see what you mean. I got that far with the drop down, but the problem with my drop down, I found that when I went because on one of them it didn't hold space, it didn't give me that like user ID correct, but it wouldn't give me, let's say,
Yeah, it would not give you a default EID because you haven't tell him what the default is. You're just picking up and showing them in a drop down. But what I'm saying is this event, it's called EID. Even this one is EID. Does that make sense? Both of them are called EID. Right? The insert is working on this EID. Is that right? So that's why you name them both. But now what I'm saying is that we only want one of them to be showing depending on whether I have the EID coming to me or not coming to me. Right. So we can hide. You know, this is the select option. This is the select button. Till here, we can hide that. No, we will have to do if. We will have to do if. If get EID. Remember, we are passing the EID. So if set get email is there, it's not there, you just don't want that.
No, I'm just saying, because you're going to have, no, I'm saying with the event, it's going to show one.
Yeah.
The other.
This is,
So would that be,
yeah, this is what I'm doing. Here,
CEID, no.
Alt E, don't want that. And this closes. Yeah. They are, I'll show you where they are. File save. Does that make sense? The box is gone now. The box is not there, and I can confirm the booking. But let's say I click from here, which is register, which if I now fill up with this, right, and I go there, I should be able to see that drop down. Yeah. I don't want both, I only want one at a time. Then the drop down should say that. Yeah. You want to know where the